All right, for your first set of verbs, just practicing those first on the back. This section right here, from page 5 in your workbook, which is copied there for you. I wanted you to have it as a reference since you can't take your workbooks home. But it's going to be very similar to the section of the quiz where the verb is already conjugated in the present. And if there's no subject, you can tell what the subject is by the ending and then reconjugate it in the preterite. The trick is that sometimes there's changes in the present that are not in the imperfect, or I'm sorry, in the preterite. So if something changes in the present tense, remember it's a whole different set of rules, even if it's the same verb, in the preterite tense. So for example, number 1, you needed to change quiero to what? Quise. So it's an implied yo form, and you know that by the O, and it makes an E to IE change in the present tense, but it does not make that change in the preterite tense. Okay, so just quise. Okay. Number 2, you needed to change hago to hice. Number 3, you needed to change vengo to good. Vine. Number 4, you needed to change quieres to Number 4, quieres is what form of the verb querer? 2 forms. So quisiste, 2 form of the verb querer in the preterite tense, quisiste with no IE change in the preterite. Number 5, change from hacen to Number 5, hacen, the ellos form to hicieron, good. 6, vienen to vinieron. And 7, changed hacemos to hicimos. Are we okay with how to do this? Yes. Present preterite, okay? Because the section in your quiz will be just like this. Okay? Always know what your subject is by the conjugation of the verb. Okay, then for exercise, or page 8, exercise F, what you have there, it told you to do it in the present tense, but I wrote a note on there to tell you to do it in the preterite. So the digo in the present tense would change to dije, did both, like I asked you to on the paper. Number 2, dice in the preterite, dijo dice in the present, dijo in the preterite. Number 3, the nos is a DOP, a direct object pronoun there, so you don't make it agree with us. The verb always agrees with the subject. So dicen for the present tense, dijeron with no I for the preterite tense. Number 4, decimos present, dijimos preterite. 5, dice and dijo. 6, digo and dice.
Isn't 2 D's on it? Let's say C.
For the el usted form of hacer is HIZ. For the rest of them, it's the same exact stem for every single box. And just remember that for the seed only, you have an ERON instead of an IERON for that last form.